What's up, you guys? Thanks so much for coming to see another video. If you're looking at me and thinking, wow, girl, what happened? I don't know. I just followed an Instagram trend and came out with this. So I hope y'all like it. If y'all want to see how I did it, then please keep watching. Alright, so as you guys seen, I want to try this multiple wave trend that's been going on. I think it's really cool, and hopefully I can pull it off. So I'm going to take my ColourPop concealer and just going to put it along this area because there's going to be a lot of cut creasing that's about to happen, and I don't really want to have to use a makeup wipe to get it all off each and every time. So then in the Brazil palette, I'm taking that purple in the top right, and we're just gonna start really lightly, pretty high up on the brow, and we're just immediately just starting to blend. So I dip back in my shadow. So I'm going to use the color switch, and I'm going to get the shadow off of the brush, and then we're going to blend the top because I want it to look really nice and blended. Taking our Ultimate Matte palette, we're going to take this purple right here, and we're going to add that to the next layer. Then we're just going to go slightly underneath that purple. Alright, I just zoomed you guys in a little bit more so you can see better. And I'm just making sure to stay underneath that other color slightly because I want to, you know, blend it correctly. Then we're taking our James Charles palette, and we're going to use the purple on the bottom row, Escape. And we're taking our Morphe M562 brush. This brush is really tiny. So I'm just using it to deepen up this very bottom portion of this wave, if you want to call it. Okay, then we're going to darken it even further, and we're going to use Spooky from the James Charles palette. So we're going to use that with a Morphe smudger brush. And I've seen some people take a makeup wipe and wipe their lid off, but I think I can just do it with like a Q-tip. So I'm just going to take my concealer, and then we're going to, oh my gosh, my heart just dropped. I'm being so over dramatic for no reason. It's just so weird because it's like you're doing a cut crease, but it's in a new place, and it's like, can't breathe. So complicated. Ooh! At first I was doing like a regular cut crease, and I was like, it looks weird. I just had to cut this straight line. Since I'm so just perplexed, I have no clue what brush to use for this, so I'm just using a Morphe brush that came inside of a trowel pack, and I'm going to use the color Playground. And I just left on the concealer I had on there from the actual cut crease. I didn't add more. This brush worked out. It didn't like transfer that much pigment, but we're just going to use it again. We're going to pick up the color Cola. And then in the BH Cosmetics palette, there's an even darker blue. So we're going to take that and add that to the lowest part of this blue. I'm going to cut this off camera because you guys have seen it once, so I'll be right back. That was so scary, you guys. I thought I really messed it up. So I'm just adding some more concealer. Out of the James Charles palette, we're taking Rusted. And I'm just going to pack it on the lash line and kind of create like a smoked out wing. Okay, then we're going to take Sis and we're going to blend that right above this red. Okay, switch up. We're gonna take the orange from the Brazil palette and see if we can get more of a brighter effect. Then we're gonna use the color B and place that above the orange, and we're just gonna get us a little gradient situation. Wow, y'all, this look has really taken a turn. Alright, so now we're going to do our under eye, and it's going to be intense. I'm just discovering how I'm an indecisive person. I never knew this about myself before, ever, until recently. Should we do... I just thought about doing something so complicated. Oh, yeah, I was going to say, like, today I have been so more indecisive than usual. It's just really weird. I could not decide if I wanted to go to the store today or if I wanted to stay home. I was just standing in my house and I was just like, what am I doing? I don't know. So I'm kind of just putting this right underneath this wing because I want it to kind of look like I'm making another wave thingy, but it's actually in reverse this time. I'm using the same colors as I did before too. And I'm going to try and keep this pretty like small. I don't want this to get like huge. And you'll see why I'm doing half of it in just a bit. I'm going to fast forward you guys through this because this is kind of tedious, I feel like. Like it's boring to me, this part. I just want to do lashes. Like that's what I'm really ready for, you know? Alright you guys, here's the final look. My camera battery was dying and I was like, you know, if I finish every little last detail of this eye look, y'all are going to be watching forever. No complaints. Look at how it came out. I am so in love with it. I feel like it is so different, unique, crazy. Mind you, very crazy. I wish I could like send you a mental picture of what I was actually going for, but either way, I still think it looks really cool, really creative. I liked this trend. I think it's really cute. I would like to even do more of the little waves, maybe like the whole eye or something. I've seen some people do that. That's really cool. But yeah, I hope you guys like this trend. I hope you like this look. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you haven't, don't forget to subscribe. Love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.
Try not to be like really extra about this. Palette falling. No, desk space. In makeup, it can only go a couple of ways. Really good or really bad. And I've had my fair share of both. Y'all, I'm trying this new thing where I'm recording on my old camera the products I use so I can make it kind of more like visual and you can actually see the product as I'm using it. And I feel like so techie right now. I'm just like, who is she?